Hi, I'm Nora, the Education Manager for the Delaware Center for Horticulture. Today I'd like to talk to you about saving some of your annuals for next year. This is Coleus. It's not a true annual, but here in Delaware and the surrounding regions we treat it as an annual because we have cold winters and this doesn't survive. But if you want to save a little money, or you perhaps have a nice species that you're concerned you're not going to be able to find next year, you can take a cutting of this and overwinter it and then have it for next year. So we did a video about cuttings a few weeks ago that we can link to so that you can watch that if you need a refresher on how to take a cutting. But Coleus is very easy to propagate by cutting. So all you would do is take a piece of this, put it in some water, put it in some soil. Either way is fine for cuttings. Make sure you take off any flower buds. That will make sure that the plant is sending energy to its roots, so that you get a nice firm root system on this. And you're not really growing this as a house plant. You're going to keep it in your house over winter, but we don't need to worry about it growing lush and full in your house for the winter. We're just trying to limp this along, if possible, to get it to keep it for next year. You can do this with a number of different annuals. Coleus is a great one. Geraniums are a little bit harder to take cuttings of, but very possible. Things like wax begonias are also a good option for trying to overwinter to keep these alive for next spring. You're not going to keep it nice and full as a house plant. You can if you want, but the purpose of this is to keep it alive, just so you can get it out into your garden next spring, especially if you have a cultivar that's a little bit more rare, or something that was given to you as a gift, or something that is going to be difficult for you to find next year. If you have any questions, please let us know, and thanks for watching.